In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Bodystat software for touchscreen. In this particular example, I'm going to be using the QuadScan Platinum software. So just go to your browser. We probably would recommend Chrome as the best one, and type in the URL download.bodystat.com. This is the same information that you will have received on the card when you purchased the hardware device. When you come to this page here, just select your device and just bear in mind if you have bought a touchscreen, it's actually the second. Make sure that it does say touch, so Bodystat QuadScan Touch in this example. And type in your serial number, so in this case it's 420080, and press submit. So you'll come to this screen where there are two buttons here. One is to download the software. The second stage of installing the software is to install the serial key or the certificate into the software. So this certificate key here activates the software specifically to your personal device. So you need to click both of these buttons. The first one will download the software. So we just click download. And you'll see on the bottom left in Chrome, it is downloading. In Firefox, it will download on the top right. So we'll just wait for it for a while, and I'll skip ahead once it's downloaded and carry on. So now we just have a few seconds left before it's fully installed. And as you can see here, this little icon here appears, and just double click on that and just follow the instructions. And click I agree to the license agreement. This is the folder where the software will be saved on your C drive under Program Files. And you can just click install. It'll just take a few minutes to install onto your PC. Bear in mind that this software was built for Windows 8 and 10. I'll leave this button clicked because it will create an icon on your desktop for a quick shortcut to open the software each time. Click Finish. And you can see the software is open. Now I have already subject data on this database, but you should have no information here whatsoever. The next stage is to download the certificate or serial key. So if you remember on the download page we had two buttons. We've already downloaded the software with the yellow button. Now we need to install the serial key. So if you click on this purple button here, that will actually download that serial key into your downloads folder within your PC. So when you go back into your software, I can just bring that up here. We need to go into device info and have your hardware device with you. Turn the hardware device on and connect the USB cable to your hardware device and to your computer. The next thing you need to make sure is that your screen says USB connected on your hardware device. If it doesn't, if it goes back to the home screen, simply unplug the USB from your computer and plug it back in again. And just make sure the USB connected screen stays on. Once that is showing USB connected, click Scan for New Devices or Scan for USB Devices. Your device will come up just like this, and then you add your key. So here I've got some previous keys that I've added just for testing. So what you need to do is to go to your download folder, which is here on your PC, and it will come up with a PDF with your serial number, which will be just called whatever your serial number is, .pdf. And all you need to do is just to copy this code here. So I'll just enlarge what it actually says. So just copy that, paste it into your key, add key, and it's as simple as that. So you can go back to device info, scan for devices, and it should come up as load tests, and you can load your latest tests from your device. So here are all the latest tests that have been used on this device. You can click whichever test you would like to assign, and if you have a new subject, you can just click new subject, type in all the information. I'm just calling this new subject just for ease. You've got an option to add a reference number here, gender, all of this is self-explanatory, and you can just fill it in at your own leisure. You can even add a photo. And once you've completed the screen, click Create Subject. Go back to Device Info and Assignments. You have your new subject. Your new subject should be listed there on the right, and then you just click whichever tests are relating to that subject. You click on that subject and you click Assign, and all those tests from the download page will be assigned to that particular subject. So you can go back to all subjects, you can go to your new subject, and you can see the tests here, all the tests that have just been assigned, and you can click into each of those tests here. So the next video will go further into the software.